Moxa's MXstudio is a network management software suite tailored for automation, bundling the mass configuration tool MXconfig with MXview network management software. The MXstudio software suite simplifies the management of automation networks by delivering three important benefits: easy configuration, smart visualizations, and quick troubleshooting. MXconfig delivers ease of configuration, letting you configure an entire network of switches from a single setup. MXconfig mass configurations are fast, efficient, and eliminate the input errors that occur with repetitive configuration methods. Controlled tests have clearly shown that on 100 switch deployments, MXconfig is 10 times faster than manual configurations. MXview is Moxa's NMS, bringing SNMP visualization to industrial networks. MXview renders redundant rings and other topologies in an easy-to-grasp graphical interface that delivers real-time details of network operations. With its intuitive, smart visualizations, MXview speeds up network troubleshooting, immediately displaying any link or device failure on the network in clear, straightforward graphics. And there it is. Easy configuration, smart visualization, and quick troubleshooting make MXstudio a powerful tool throughout the entire network lifecycle. From initial installation to operations, maintenance, and diagnostics, MXstudio gets the most out of your network, improving efficiency and significantly reducing total cost of ownership. MXstudio, the network management toolbox for industrial automation, with MXconfig for rapid, secure, and efficient mass configurations, and MXview for intuitive NMS management of automation networks. One toolbox designed for automation for your network's entire lifecycle. Get MXstudio now and take your network to the next level.